Intersection collisions are some of the most disputed cases I handle because both drivers almost always point the finger at each other. So how do we actually prove fault in a New York City intersection crash? First, we look at the traffic signals and signs. Who had the green light? Who had the stop sign? Right-of-way rules are the foundation of these cases. Second, we move fast to secure evidence. New York City is full of cameras. Traffic cams, storefront security footage, even dash cams from nearby vehicles. That footage can disappear in days, so timing matters. Third, we gather witness statements. Independent witnesses, people with no stake in the outcome, carry enormous weight with insurance companies and juries. Fourth, we examine the physical evidence, the damage patterns on the vehicles, skid marks, and the final resting positions of the cars. Sometimes we bring in accident reconstruction experts to tell the full story. Fault isn't decided by who yells loudest. It's proven with evidence, and evidence has a shelf life. If you've been hit at a New York City intersection, call my office today before that proof disappears.